Yeah. Yeah.
Works to make this beat.
Yeah. 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 You know I bookie bocky shit, you know I elo shit. I hit that nigga one time face down, he a bitch. I had to do him bad, had to tag him on his ass. I had to flip his car, stand on mag, left him sad. I had to hit his fucking tire, you know that bitch was wired. I had to set the bitch on fire, yeah you know I'm wired. These niggas wanna play with me, money ain't for free. These niggas gotta pay a fee, fucking with the G. Fucking with this G, you know you gotta pay a fee. And if you don't pay your fee, I'm coming to collect, so wait for me. If you don't wait for me, I'm sending killers on your head. It's gonna be worse than me doing it, cause I'ma leave you there. And these niggas, they ain't just gonna leave you there. They gonna cut off your head and put it on your family porch. And then they gonna roll you up and flame you with a torch. I mean wood style or 3.5, you know it's dork. You know these niggas tryna play with me, we throwing forks. You know I'm sticking niggas with forks. No, this ain't no torch. No, we ain't in no fucking Shelly, but I'm making shanks. The easy way to kill a nigga and leave him on the paint. And leave that nigga on the sheen. I don't need no beam. You know the whole scene was green. You know I'm really G. That nigga wanna play with me, I do that nigga bad. Ain't got no codes in my mouth, but I'm really class. You know I'm really classy. You know I'm not no really flashy. I like playing video games, but I ain't dashy. I'm trying to get up on the race, trying to get up in the stew. Niggas trying to play with me, hit them with a fucking rule. Hit them with a girl, hit that nigga with this stare. No, I really don't care. Put these choppers in the air, let that goofy nigga stare, cause you know we do not care. Spin this block again and block again and try that shit, my friend. We gon' spin up in this Benz like Mexico's in this car. We gon' hop out 15 deep, and you know we got them R's, and you know we got them A's, and you know we got them R's. Got the whole alphabet. Finna send your ass to Mars, finish send his ass to Jupiter, finish send his ass to Pluto. Nigga tryna play with me, put him face down, yell out ELO. Ha, put him face down, yell out ELO. Yeah, put him face down, yell out ELO.